What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. I'm here working on my CRV. That's what my project is for today. I just finished giving her a wash. She was getting a little dirty, but I know it's been a while since I did a video on her. But there's a few things that I've done which I know I didn't catch it on video, but I could show you guys that now. All right, so one of the things I did was I changed the radio, and I got this dual radio from Walmart, and this was on sale, I would say 3 months ago. It went on sale for like 15 bucks, so I bought 2 of them. But this is a fold out screen, folds out, motorized, and it's a little old school, but it works, and I kind of like it. So that's one of the things I've done. Now I don't have the key, but I'll show you guys that in a minute when I turn this on. And then another thing that I also did was I put a 1-inch spacer right there to extend the wheels out. So I got a 1-inch spacer on all four of the wheels. All right, so now if you guys can see, it extends out a little bit. All right, now today my project is going to be putting on a trailer hitch that I got from eBay, and that one I was surprised it was on sale for 150 bucks, and it had a coupon of like 15%, right? So I figured I'd jump on a deal and grab it, because one of the things that I wanted to do with the CRV was have a trailer hitch receiver, so that I can attach my bike rack on there, you know, just in case I need to go and bring my bike. I'd like to take the CRV, you know, and tow them wherever I want to go, just to go biking somewhere. But yeah, so I've been wanting to get a trailer hitch receiver for a long time, and so yeah, it just came in the other day, and so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll show you guys on the video as far as where I'm at on my process. I don't think I'm gonna be able to capture the whole thing, but I'll show you guys where I'm at. And I don't know, from looking at the instruction, it seemed like it was pretty easy. All right, but I'll cut back once I get everything out the box. All right, guys, later. All right, guys, so here's the instructions that I got. The trailer hitch that I got also, this is a class 3 trailer hitch, so it has the 2-inch receiver right there. All right, so I guess I have to assemble the hitch itself, and that's here with those screws and bolts for hardware A. So yeah, let me put this thing together and I'll come back. All right guys, so I assembled the hitch together using these bolts and nuts. Now the size is a little odd. It's a 18 millimeter. So for the bolt and for the nut. Now I just have it on here. It's not on tight yet. I'll tighten everything up once I get it in and installed underneath the car. But yeah, so that's what my progression is right now. I'm about to figure out how to fish these bolts into the frame. So let me figure that out and I'll cut back to you guys. All right guys, I'm back, and so here is where I'm at now. This trailer hitch installs in this first hole and then this one right here. So I use this as an access point to get the bolts in, and the trailer hitch, it came with a kit which was this to fish the bolts in, but I kind of outstretched this part. But anyway, it still works. So I didn't have a hole saw to make this hole bigger, so I just drilled kind of like on the side of it with a drill bit, just so I can get the head of the bolt and also this plate right here inside. And so I think as long as you have good enough space, you can get this in and you should be fine. But yeah, so one side is done, and so now I gotta do the other side right there. All right, and so I'll check with you guys in a minute. Oh yeah, but this too, I wanted to show you. I had to lower down the muffler in the back, so I just took it off the hangers, just to kind of give me some more room to work with. All right, so yeah, I just got back. All right guys, so I just finished up putting the hitch on, and so you can see right there, and I just finished putting back the muffler too, and there's enough room and it's not hitting the hitch, so even with a slight wiggle. So yeah, I think it lined up perfectly, no issues. The only problem that I have is this part right here. I can't add this U-bolt, just because I'm not sure what happened here, but this is kind of dented up the trunk. That's where the spare tire is on this car, so I'm not able to use this. I probably could find something else that would fit right there, but we'll just go with this right now. I mean, I'm just putting a bike rack on this thing anyways, and so, you know, I'm not gonna be towing a car or anything like that, so it should be fine. Yeah, this thing is solid. I mean, no wiggle room or anything like that. So yeah, it's a solid hitch. Yeah, so I think it looks pretty good, and so I'll end the video here, and yeah, I'm gonna be putting my my bike rack right there on. But yeah, so if anybody is looking to install a trailer hitch It's pretty easy. The only hard part would be, you know, having one side lifted, just because if you're doing it yourself. But what I did was I got a jack stand, kind of like to lift the other side while I'm bolting this side up. And then once you get that done, then, you know, bolting the other side, you just basically lifting it. But yeah, install is pretty easy. Fishing the bolt was pretty easy. What else? But yeah, I think this is a good upgrade to have. I've been wanting this for a while now, so it's good I got it. All right, guys, so I'll end the video here. Hope you guys have a good one. All right, later.